Alright guys, I know it's been kind of a while, but today we're back kind of close to my hometown, Tri-Cities. We're out here in Hermiston, catching a nice sunset with the boys, Trey and Dean. And we got a right-hand drive Hilux, something like that, but it's badass, and we're gonna do another POV video. May have made a mistake in doing this POV video. The first portion of the video I accidentally hit the time-lapse button on the GoPro, so first half is all in time-lapse. Kind of bummed, but you know, that's okay. Here I am. I'm just gonna do a quick little voiceover of, you know, what's going on and what I'm kind of thinking. I'm still gonna import, or I guess the photos will still pop up as I take them, implement them somehow in, you know, here in the video. However, enjoy this time-lapse to some nice music and me popping in here and there, just saying shit. Yeah, so basically we just pulled up to the spot here in Hermiston, Oregon. We were racing in the sunset. We came from Tri-Cities, so it's about 30 minutes away, and sunset was in like 45 minutes, so we got there right when the sun was setting. So the shoot was actually pretty rushed. I think I snapped photos for about 10 minutes or so with the sun up, and then the rest was like blue hour for the next 10 minutes. And it was really cool shooting something like this because, well, I don't really shoot many cars like this. I usually shoot stance cars or a lot of Porsches. This is a right-hand drive Hilux. Forgive me if I pronounce that wrong. I'm gonna say it's a diesel. It looks like a 4Runner to me, but it's super badass. It's on 4 TE37s, and there's a spare TE37 on the rear, which is quite the flex. As you can see here, I'm in the back seat getting a full interior shot. I'm shooting on my Sony 16-35 G Master. So I like the 16mm focal length because I get the whole interior dash shot. One of my favorite shots I'm using or doing now. So yeah, and then well, that's really it. All right, come in the middle and then come at me kind of fast. Gas it. Or don't gas it, but come at me kind of quick. I want to. Oh no, because I was hoping a whole bunch of dirt would kick up, so it looks like you're coming at me really fast. But that's okay. It's true. It says 1,000 words about it. Actually, will you move it again? Got them all repositioned, and this looks dope. Oh, that's sick. Something about being out in the middle of nowhere with something like this, it just fits. It would also be kind of cool to get in the city where it doesn't fit. It's definitely not what I'm used to shooting. But I'm definitely shooting new things. Like, I really need to shoot motorcycles. Haven't tried that yet. The only shitty thing about having to drive this right now, I love driving it, but there's no AC at the moment. It went out a couple days ago. But it was dope for driving right-hand drive. I don't know if I could shift one, but I don't know. Hit him with a pose, dude. Oh shit. Gage. Y'all are too jacked. I should have got a cinch.
What's the fucking pinkish?
I know.
The cotton candy?
Yeah, you're bad. Don't let it happen again. I'm just kidding. Are we about to listen to some country on the way back home?
Look.
And now. Sorry, dude. Oh,
Bro,
right-hand drive.
What if you took it like this? So if we backed it up, where the cars are right here, but you took it through the interior to see the driver's side steering wheel and the sky in the background.
Yep. We have a whole 3 IQ points of the 3 of us here.
You have to pull it like straight up right here.
Yeah! Right-hand drive such a trip. Oh. Little rub-a-dub-dub.
If you took it from right here with the steering wheel and shit and the sky in the background, you're gonna get a perfect looking sky background.
Oh, let's see it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So maybe focus more on the sky instead of the steering wheel, like zoom in a little bit more. There you go, like that.
I'm gonna send you these photos once I edit them. We'll do both. We'll transition from the steering wheel to the sky.
After the edit?
As long as I still got the touch.
Edit?
The AP. Alright, I'm gonna do a couple more and we're good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He's like, damn, I want that picture. Sun went down anyways.
Ooh. Oh well. Get this cool mirror angle though. Oh yeah, I was gonna do that. Cool. Well, I think I got enough shots here today. I should probably do one of those in portrait form.
What?
I should probably do one instead of landscape, portrait, so people can have as a or I can have as a wallpaper or something.
With some anime music in the background, fire.
Yeah. Alright.
That is one of the hardest intros ever. Outros, huh?
Oh yeah. Alright guys, it's like 90 degrees. I'm sweating balls here. This is a dope spot and a dope sunset. And I think we're finishing the night here. I'll get some B-roll of this beast and then we're gonna get some Buffalo Wild Wings.
Clean. Okay.
I feel like we could do another photo